Left lane for the win. Hey!
Who's gonna take a look at?
I'm bad with this.
Is there any good restaurants in Paris, Texas, man?
Yeah. Hey, man. Look out. Hey, I'm trying to ride, man.
Come on, get in. Hey, get the fuck out the way.
You better, cause I ain't even looking back.
Like that.
Hey. What's up, Woody? Set it off and his mother lover. Hey, what's up? Set it off and I'm in the air, about to make a pass. I hope we get on the motherfucking ass. About to do a burn out, I'm finna glue. And try to fuck up this BMW too. Hey, see him got the back tie. We be burning our tie to the damn wire. Hey, we pulling up down light. Ooh, we do it there, man. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Got that old everybody doing his thing, y'all. Yeah. Easy. Hey. Yeah. Just made a full pass. Got on his damn ass. Hey, I think they bet the cash. Hey, we about to see the time slip. Hey, hope that he don't trip. Hey, the back tire and the hit. Hey, that really wasn't shit. Now we on return road. Ooh, I know he mad than a hoe. Hey, cause we whooped his damn ass. And we took his damn cash. Hey, yeah, we about to do it. Hey, we about to see the time. The man right here. Hey, what you wanna do? Yeah. About to go get some corn in the cup. Nigga, what? I came through, I ain't never stuck. I'm about to get tacos, what? And a quesadilla. No, I don't fuck with margaritas. Hey, I only play with liquor. Ooh, I like to do it bigger. Hey, what did you figure? Pulled up with tacos. It done got hot. Hey, I can park in there next time running. I can park in here next time. They said you said I couldn't. They said you said I couldn't park in here. I can park in here next time.
I didn't say that.
Okay, they what they said.
I didn't say that.
Like the
Okay.
CEO and he can't park in here.
Yeah, they said I couldn't park in here per running, but he said he didn't say it, y'all. So we finna. I'm gonna pull in. I'm saying what they said.
Always gets pulled up.
They
the
said
fire,
running.
The fire?
Yeah.
They know who, they caught the guy that set it on fire? You know what he said?
Yeah.
Ronnie said I could shoot fireworks.
Oh yeah? Running. Okay.
I didn't tell him that.
Okay. Well, they said running. All right. They said running. He said nah. Movie car. Baby said that. I know y'all heard. Oh, well, y'all seen me turn around. That dude told me run and sit. What's up with it? Hey. Oh, damn, boy, I'm ready to eat me something. Hey, look out, y'all. Look out, y'all. I sure appreciate y'all pulling up. Yeah, I got the video of the fire. But anyway, y'all check out my other videos, man. Got a lot of other videos, man. I done had a good night with y'all. Shout out to my people, man, that's watching. You know, shout out to Alan. Alan! That's my boy, y'all. Shout out to Alan. Look, they talking about don't leave. Brandon Sanders, don't leave. Man, I'm finna eat.
Hey!
Think, drink.
You gotta get them on video.
Oh! Okay, word. Oh, damn. That's that. I need to learn that dance. Y'all can teach me that dance. Y'all know it. I need to learn how to do it.
Hey, come here. I just got us some tacos.
Okay. Huh? Look out.
What's up with it?
Not much.
Oh, okay.
Shout out to my boy Limpy, man. Getting everything fixed.
Look out here, got his shirt off.
Yeah, man. I'm trying to stay cool that win.
You was the lady?
I don't know. Yeah, I need a drink, yeah. Cause I'm thirsty.
That nigga Cortez in this
I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty, y'all. Let me see. Yeah, man, y'all have a good one, man. Ain't nothing else going on. Oh yeah, somebody talking about they homeboy Honda coming up. I don't know, man. He should have been made a pass by now, man.
Well, who I betting on that BMW? I wish I would have seen them.
Yeah, they were betting.
I wish I would have seen they motherfucking ass. I would have told them put that money together
Yeah,
and just bring it here.
Yeah.
I would have turned my car off
yeah,
and went told them whatever
got that
y'all-
money.
Yeah, I didn't know. I never did look over there.
yeah,
Bitch ain't finna whoop me.
yeah. Well, look out, y'all. Where Jessica at? I don't even see her today.